Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review ReplyMind. It is AI assistant which will help you to reply to messages on LinkedIn, X or Twitter, and Product Hunt. So if you would like to boost your presence on those platforms, you can use ReplyMind and you will be able to interact and reply quicker. I will show you how it works in a moment. You will need to install Chrome extension and then you will have different options appearing specifically for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Product Hunt. So it seems it really can save a lot of time. Regarding license tiers, there are 3 choices: Basic, Pro, and Business Plan. And you just need to decide how many replies per month you expect. With the Basic Plan, you have 600 per month. And with Business, you can have 5,000 and 10 users. So, as I mentioned, you will need to install Google Chrome extension. And now let's move to actual demo. On the Chrome extension page, conveniently, they provide onboarding tutorial video. And now let's actually see how it works in action, starting from Twitter. Let's say you would like to reply to some tweet. And now you can see these buttons. Those are coming from ReplyMind Chrome extension. And right away, you have different options. Let's say you approve this message and you would like to showcase your support. Let's click that. And we have got generated reply. Let's say you want to support conversation and reply to some other tweet. You can start writing and ask to complete your sentence. Let it be medium long. Complete. And here it is. It's a great conversation starter. What are the available use cases for knowledge workers? If you will not like the reply, you can ask to rewrite. Let's test support one. And here it is, a great support tweet for the founder of FRI AI tool. By the way, you can find my full review and demo of FRI AI Assistant by the link in the description. And please also subscribe and give this video a like. Let's test it one more time and try to reply to this tweet from Dubverse, stating that there are more than 300 lace varieties. Let's try suggest one. Well, again, great conversation starter. And let's actually not wait and reply. So here it is. I've posted my reply to Dubverse, which was generated by ReplyMind. Let's proceed to LinkedIn. Basically, you can do all the same. Let's check out this OpenAI post. We can go to comment. And here are all of those same options. And you can generate your replies, support, thought questions specifically for LinkedIn. And here you might notice that ReplyMind provide a customization because we can see here a funny suggestion or question. So I believe ReplyMind will generate the better content for a specific social network. And moving next to Product Hunt, basically you can do all the same as for Twitter and LinkedIn. You can go to a particular product, go to discussion section, hit reply, and you will see again options which will help you to generate your content, which are provided by ReplyMind. And again, I believe those are specifically tailored for Product Hunt platform. Alright, moving to a conclusion. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical about ReplyMind before this review and demo because I thought it could be way too simple. However, I think the simplicity is the key power feature of ReplyMind. You log once to the tool, install Chrome extension, log there, and that's it. It is laser focused on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Product Hunt. And again, I think it is a great feature to focus on few well-known platforms and do not spread the attention to be able to perform great for these specific social media platforms. I saw some other AI assistants which were doing similar thing, helping you to generate replies for Twitter, for example. However, in my opinion, ReplyMind did the best job here and is the easiest one to use. So to get ReplyMind, please check my affiliate link in the description. And please also give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and share this video to help to spread the word. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.